Hello everyone, we're going to walk through the steps of how to create your own account on DT Academy. So we start off on the DT main website page and then head to Training and DT Academy, and then it will take you to the landing page. We're going to press Get Started and then head to the LMS. We're going to press Sign Up, fill in your details, press Create Account, and we're in. Let's head to our catalogue, which you can see are the listed courses we have on offer. They are also split into categories on the side, so let's click on the Testing and Maintenance of Fire Detection Systems. Head into this course. Here there's an overview, who should attend, and also a list of the different modules within the course. So press Get this course if you would like to begin your training. Start the course and then head in, and listed on the side is all of the different modules, and make your way through the training course, pressing Next after you've completed all the text. If you come out of the course, you can also see that the LMS keeps track of how far you've got through the course. At the end of this course, there'll be a short test for you, which you will get a certificate. Dip in and out, complete the training when you have time. Let's get started.